Hello everyone, welcome all to my channel. Thank you all for your support. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon near it so that you don't miss any video updates. In this video, we are going to see about how to overcome fear from the various teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. How to overcome fear. What is fear? It is only a thought. If there is anything besides the self, there is reason to fear. Who sees things separate from the self? First, the ego arises and sees the objects as external. If the ego does not rise, the self alone exists and there is nothing external. For anything external to oneself implies the existence of the seer within. Seeking it, there will arise no doubt, no fear, and all other thoughts centered around the ego will disappear along with it. Overcoming fear using self-enquiry. Ask yourself, to whom do these doubts, fears, and worries occur? And they will vanish. Cease to pay attention to them. Pay attention to the self within. Fear, worry, and doubt can only arise when there are two or when anything else exists apart from or separate from or outside you. If you turn the mind inwards towards the self, fear etc. will disappear. If you try to remove a doubt or fear, another doubt or fear will arise. There will be no end to them. The best method to destroy them is to ask, to whom do they occur, and they will disappear. To destroy a tree by plucking its leaves one by one is impossible. By the time you pluck just a few, other leaves will grow. Remove the root of the tree. The ego and the whole tree with its leaves and branches will then be destroyed. Prevention is better than cure. Self is the only reality and ego is a false self. Uncertainties, doubts, fears are natural to everyone until the self is realized. They are inseparable from the ego, rather they are the ego. If the ego goes, they goes with it. Is itself unreal. What is the ego? Enquire. The body is insentient and cannot say I. The self is pure consciousness and no dual. It cannot say I. No one can say I in sleep. What is the ego then? It is something intermediate between inert body and the self. It has no locus standi. If sought for it, vanish like a non-existent ghost. You see, a man imagine that there is something like ghost by his side in darkness. It may be some dark object. If he looks closely, the ghost is not to be seen, but some dark object which he identify as a tree or a post etc. If he does not look closely, the ghost strike terror in the person. All that is required is only to look closely and the ghost vanishes. The ghost was never there. So also with the ego. It is intangible link between the body and pure consciousness. It is not real. So long as one does not look closely, it continues to give trouble. But when one looks for it, it is found not to exist. If you have any suggestions regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.